Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible features of the Ninja blender and food processor combo. The ultimate kitchen companion for both personal and professional use. This powerhouse appliance boasts a 1600 peak watt power dense motor with smartTORQUE technology, ensuring you never stall while blending, chopping, or processing. With its enhanced processing lid, feed chute, and select cut processing discs, you can achieve precise shredding, slicing, and grating effortlessly. The XL smoothie bowl maker is perfect for creating thick smoothie bowls or creamy nut butters, thanks to its built-in tamper designed for tackling frozen ingredients with less liquid. Enjoy nutrient-rich drinks with the nutrient extraction cup, which breaks down fruits and vegetables to deliver a smooth, vitamin-packed beverage. Featuring 7 preset Auto IQ programs, this versatile machine allows for one-touch smoothies, extractions, bowls, spreads, chopping, and food processing, all with variable speed control for perfect texture every time. Plus, with dishwasher-safe parts and a variety of included accessories like the 72 ounces Power Blender and Processor Picture and 20 Recipe Inspiration Guide, the Ninja Blender and Food Processor combo makes cleanup a breeze and meal prep a joy. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.